English Speaking 360, your conversation coach presents Speak English Like a Native. Today we are giving you an easy tip on how to improve your English. Today is tip number 2, and it's about what's up. So, what's up is a common English question that people ask at the beginning of a conversation, right? But what is the meaning of what's up? Do you know? The real meaning is what is happening in your life. But nobody will say, "Oh, hello, what is happening in your life?" It doesn't sound very natural. So people usually say, "Hey, what's up?" It means, tell me what is new in your life or what is happening in your life these days. Okay? But there are many variations of what's up. Okay? An easy one is sup. Sup is the shortened form of what's up. So if you remove the what, you have s up. So many people just say sup. Okay, good. Another variation is what's new. What's new means what is new in your life. What's shaken? It's another variation of what's up. How's life treating you? And what are you up to these days? But remember, all of these 5 different variations all have the same meaning. The meaning is what is happening in your life these days. So don't forget to study these 5 different variations because they are super important, okay? But be careful. What's up, sup, what's new, what's shaking, all of these are casual expressions, okay? So what it means is that they are not formal expressions. So you shouldn't use them with people who are at a higher level than you. So if you go to work on Monday morning and you see your boss and you say, "Hey boss, what's up?" Maybe it will not go so well for you. Okay? So only with your friends or people that you are friendly with. Okay? Good. Now, how to answer what's up? This is super important because many English students don't answer the right way. Usually, the most common answer is not much. That's it. Not much. It's easy, right? But you must know this. What's up? Not much. That's it. Cut the end, okay? You can also say, same old. It means that there is nothing new in your life. Your life is the same way as it was before, okay? But there is another answer. The other answer is if you have something new in your life, you can say it. Okay, for example, "Oh, I sold my car." "Oh, I saw a good movie." Those are good answers too, because the person is asking you what is new in your life, what's happening in your life these days. "I sold my car" is a very good answer. "I saw a good movie" is also a very good answer. But most people don't have anything new in their lives, so they say not much or same old. Okay? Good. Now you are ready to practice. So let's practice together. You ready? An easy one. "Hey buddy, sup?" What do you say? You should say something like this, right? "Not much. You?" Good, okay? "Hey buddy, sup?" "Not much. You?" Good. Let's practice again. Let's go. "Yo, good to see you. How's life treating you?" You could say, same old. How about you?" And don't forget to send it to the other person, right? "How about you?" is because you give them the chance to also reply, right? So that's good. Next practice. Let's go. Hey, long time no see. What are you up to these days? You could say something like this: I started a YouTube channel. How about you? If you have something new in your life, you can say it right here. It's good too. Good answer. Okay? Or you can say, not much. How about you? Same old. How about you? Let's practice again. Hi, how's it going? Great. What about you? Not bad. What's new? Did you get the right answer? You should have said, not much. Anything new with you? Anything new with you is also a good way to send it back to the other person. If you say something like this, you will sound supernatural. That is very, very good. Good job, guys. Hey, don't forget to like us. Don't forget to share our videos. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.